Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys iqoo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to change iqoo mobile date and time. Friends, you want to change iqoo mobile date and time settings. So friends, now let's see how to change iqoo mobile date and time. One by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your iqoo mobile phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your iqoo mobile. So friends, in your iqoo mobile, scroll down here, open your phone system setting, open your phone date and time setting. Friends, you can set date, you want to set time, so you can set, first of all click here set time automatic setting off. After all friends, now you can select date, you can set and you can change date in your iqoo mobile. Friends, I will set here 7 June Wednesday. OK option, time option, click here, you can set time, you can change time. Friends, I will set here 12, not, we will set here 1 p.m. am pm, select your am pm, OK option, and friends you can check phone time will show here 1 p.m, date will show Wednesday 7 June. So like that way you can set and change date and time in iqoo mobile. And friends, now how to change time format, how to use 24-hour setting in iqoo mobile. Again open your phone date and time setting, scroll down here, last option friends, click here use 24-hour format setting. After turn on use 24-hour format setting friends, time will not show 1 p.m, time will show 13, 14, 15, 16, 1 p.m, 2 p.m, 3 p.m, 4 p.m. So friends, you want to on 24-hour setting, so you can on 24-hour setting and you can use it. And you don't want to use, so friends, right again click here, you can use your date and time with am and pm. So like that friends, you can use date and time setting, you can set and change date and time, use 24-hour setting, you can use friends time zone you want to select, so you can select time zone and you can change. Friends, you can check time is 1 p.m, date is 7 June. So friends, when I will on set time automatic setting, so friends you can check correct time, correct date will set 6 June Tuesday 11:19. So like that friends, you can use date and time setting, you can set and you can change iqoo mobile date and time. And after turn with set time automatic setting, you cannot use date setting and you cannot use time setting. Again you want to use, first of all off your set time automatic setting, date you can select, you can change, time you can select, you can change. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.